We're now going to learn how to create a folder share that points to multiple folders on different computers. First thing you want to do is log in on the domain controller. Remember domain controller, we're going to hit start. We're going to go to documents, and file, and create a new folder. We're going to create it, we're going to call it SO. We're going to create it and call it SOP. And go in, create a new test document. We're also going to call it SOP. We'll then go back. We'll right click on the folder. We'll go to properties. We'll go to security. We're going to edit it. We're going to add everyone so anyone can access the file. Hit check names. Click OK. Click apply. Click OK. Click OK again. You will then go on to the other server. You'll be logged in. You will go to the document. File. We'll create a new folder. We're going to call it policy. Click on that one. Open a new text document in it. We're also going to call it policy. Then we'll go back, right click on it, change the permissions. Again, under go to security, click edit, add. We'll add everyone. Of course, you can restrict it further if you want to. That's going to ask for the username. I'm going to log in as the administrator. I'm going to click OK. Click apply. OK. OK. Now under the server client, the member of the domain controller, I'm going to go to administrative tools. I'm going to go to DFS management. I'm going to create a new namespace. I'm going to have it on the server client. Now it wants you to pick what server to be hosted on. I'm going to pick server client. I'll have to log in as the administrator again. Then click next. I'm going to call it in all caps comp docs, and go to edit settings and make sure all users have permission, and click OK. Click next. I'm going to call it comp docs 1. And click next. And click next. And hit create. It'll then create a namespace. Now with that namespace, I'm going to now add targets to it by hitting new folder. And click add. Click browse. I'm going to go to users. I'm going to go to administrator. I'm going to go to documents. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to go to users. I'm going to go to administrator. I'm going to go to documents. Expand it out. Click on policy. Click OK. Click OK. I'm going to call that folder also policy into this because that makes it easier to remember. I'm going to click OK. Then I'm going to right click on it again. New folder. I'm going to go to add. Then I'm going to click browse. I'm also going to click browse here and change the server to the domain controller. Of course, then I'll have to log in as the administrator again. Okay. All users, I'm going to go to administrator, I'm going to go to documents, I'm going to go to SOP, I'm going to click OK, OK again, click add, I'll put a name in which I'm going to call SOP, then click OK. I'm now going to log off. The server client. I'm then going to log in as a standard user. Once it brings it up, I'm going to go to start. I'm going to go to network. I'm going to click on server client because that's where it is stored. I'm going to go to comp.1, click on policy, shows I have permission to open it up. I'm going to go to SOP, shows I have permission to open this up. And that is how you create a file share in Active Directory.